Need to turn audio or video into text? Audio and video transcription automatically detects speech and generates an accurate transcript, making it easy to capture and reuse your content. Now let's walk through the process and see how easy it is to transcribe your content. Start by uploading the audio file that needs to be transcribed.
Welcome back to the podcast. In today's episode, we'll be talking about simple ways to stay productive and focused throughout the day. Let's get started.
Next, select a processing option. Choose Standard Transcript for a basic transcript or AI features for additional AI-powered capabilities. Here's the Standard Transcript view. As you can see, the speech has been converted into clean, readable text for quick and simple transcription. On the other hand, this is the AI features view. You'll notice it not only transcribes the audio, but also detects different speakers and adds timestamps, making the transcript easier to follow and navigate. Then click Generate Transcript to convert the speech in the file into text. Once the transcription is complete, go to the transcript timeline to review the generated text.
Welcome back to the podcast. In today's episode, we'll be talking about simple ways to stay productive and focused throughout the day. Let's get started.
Finally, download the transcript as an SRT subtitle file or a TXT document, depending on the intended use. Here's the results. Next, let's try a video file. The process is exactly the same as audio transcription. The tool will detect the speech in the video, generate a transcript, and make it available in the transcript timeline for review and download.
I think a good business model for a coffee shop in this area would be to cover the star cospens.
That way we'll get exposure and they'll get a say in the menu.
And that's how audio and video transcription works. As you can see, generating a transcript only takes a few simple steps, whether you're working with audio or video files.